Today we are going to talk about terrain, and inside the terrain we will be having editor, and we are going to talk about the paint tool. So this is the paint tool. So suppose you have already made your terrain and now you don't want it to be like the color which you wanted. Maybe here I have the grass, here I have some blocks. I wanted it this part also to be grass. What can I do? Now I'm not going to delete this entire thing and I'm going to make it again. I'm just going to paint. So if I click on paint, I can see that again I will get all the brush details and all the materials. So I will choose the grass and see I can paint this again. See wherever I'm going to place my mouse, it is going to paint it. So it is going to get painted again. See, but be careful with that. Wherever you don't want your grass to be, if you will place this cursor there, it is going to be grass there also. So you have to be careful. Okay, now after the paint tool we are going to talk about the region also. Region is like you have some option, bunch of options are there: select, move, resize, rotate. All those options are there. If I click on select, you can select any of your terrain. See what you have to do, you have to, in the space somewhere, you can make it something like a box. It comes like a blue box and you can resize it accordingly. Now what select does, you can select any of your terrain or which is already being made. Okay, now the second option is move. You can, whatever you have selected, okay, let's do it from the beginning. Now suppose I have selected my this terrain. Okay, and I'll make it a little bit smaller. Okay, so let's make it again. Suppose I have selected this of my terrain. Now I want to specifically move this part of my terrain somewhere else. Then after clicking on the move, my box of selection becomes white and I get the arrows. I can move it anywhere in the X, Y, Z axis, wherever I want. See, if I click on the up arrow, see the entire terrain is getting moved. Okay, so like that move works. Now, what about the resize? As the name is suggesting, resize means you can make your terrain small or you can scale it up accordingly. So this is very useful when you are making mountains or anything. Suppose you have made a mountain and after seeing the terrain, you see that it is looking short or maybe it is looking too big. So you can again resize it. See, if I resize it, I can make my terrain big in X, Y, Z. All the axes it is possible. So see, okay. And after I am done with the making it, I can again move it and I'll place it back into the ground. So wherever you wanted to place it, accordingly you can do it. Okay, now about the resizing we have talked about, it is just like scaling up anything. Then rotate is like you can rotate anything. So whatever selection you have done, only for that these options are going to work. Selection is important. Okay, so whatever you are selecting, move, resize and rotate, I can rotate it in the XYZ axis again. Okay, so like I am rotating it, so it is like rotation is there. Okay, so see, this is getting rotated, right? Accordingly it is rotating, it was taking time. So accordingly we can rotate it in the XYZ axis. Rotate is all about that. Now copy, paste and delete, it is similar like we are doing already. With the control D we used to copy any kind of parts. Now you can copy any of your terrain also. Suppose you have made one mountain and now you make multiple mountains, then in that case your copy paste is very useful. Okay, okay, so first of all let me place it somewhere else. Okay, so now suppose I wanted to copy this much of terrain and I wanted to place it somewhere else also. This is helpful when you wanted to make same type of terrain again and again. So I will click on copy. So first of all what will I do, I will select this whatever you wanted to do, and then you have to click on copy. So once you have selected any of the terrain and you clicked on copy, it got copied. And now what will you do? Inside your space, anywhere you go and make a selection and then click on paste. So see, whatever you have copied is pasted here. Same amount of same resize, same size, everything is getting pasted. And similarly to the copy paste, delete is going to be like if you click on delete, whatever is under the selection, it will get deleted. So now we are going to talk about the fill. So here we have to create a selection wherever you want in the air. Somewhere here I have already selected. Now I will click on the fill. So I will get a lot of options here. Whichever you want you can choose. I will choose grass and then click on fill. So everything is getting filled up, whatever selection you have made. So this is useful when you wanted to fill a particular selection with something else, and accordingly, once you are done with the filling it up, you can move it wherever you wanted to move it. So it is specifically used when you wanted to create some shapes and you wanted to fill it up, and accordingly you can move it wherever you want, right?